Hi! I didn't plan this video, but naisip ko, before I leave Sydney, I wanted to talk what is this city is actually like. Like, ano ba yung mga natutunan ko? Not the highlights, just the quiet part.
Bale, 6 na taon na rin ang nakalipas. Dumating ako sa Sydney 2020. Pandemic times pa. When I first came to Sydney, akala ko kailangan kong patunayan yung sarili ko. Na dapat mabilis, na dapat may nangyari agad. Pero hindi ganun ang itinuro sa akin ng lugar na to. Sydney taught me how to survive quietly. How to wake up every day, kahit pagod, kahit walang kasiguraduhan, kahit parang walang nangyayari. Dito ko rin natutunan ang dignidad sa trabaho, na kahit simpleng gawain, kahit walang pumapalakpak, kahit ikaw lang ang nakakaalam kung gaano ka nagsisikap. I learned that not every struggle needs an audience. Sometimes, progress looks like repetition, like showing up again and again and again. May mga araw din na I felt invisible. Days I questioned myself. Days I wondered if I was falling behind. Sydney taught me patience, na hindi lahat ng pangarap dumarating sa oras na gusto mo, na minsan kailangan mo munang maging matatag bago ka maging handa. At ngayon, naiintindihan ko na I was not behind. I was being built. Na hinuhubog lang pala ako ng panahon upang maging handa kung saan ako inilaan ng tadhana. This city did not make me successful, but it made me steady. And that changed everything. Sydney was never my destination. Isa lang siyang teacher. Isang chapter na humubog sa akin. And now, I've moved forward. Dala ko ang lahat ng itinuro niya. Salamat, Sydney. Salamat sa lahat.